Hi, in front of me I have Suunto 7 and I'm gonna show you how to wipe the cache partition on this device. Let's start by turning off our watch. To do it, press and hold the left upper button. Then tap on the power off option to turn off your watch. After your watch turns off, we need to press and hold the left upper button and right bottom button together. And when this menu appears, you can release both buttons. Now, to scroll through this menu, use the left upper button. Simply press it to scroll through it, like this. Find the option called Recovery Mode. And press and hold the left upper button to confirm. Like this. And we enter the recovery menu. And to scroll through this menu, simply swipe up and down on the screen like this. Find the option called Wipe Cache Partition right here. And then swipe left or right to confirm. Then scroll down and then again swipe left or right to confirm. After the process is complete, make sure that the reboot system now is selected and swipe left or right to confirm. And that's how you wipe the cache partition on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.